Buying crypto with Apple gift card. It's pretty easy to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you can buy crypto with Apple gift cards. So for that, as you can see, I'm at my Android, but in your case you have to be at your iOS, and afterwards in the iOS you have to go to your App Store. In the App Store you have tap on your profile. After tapping on your profile, you'll easily be able to see an option for payment. You just have to go to that option, and then you have to redeem your Apple gift card code and enter your money into your applicant. Afterwards you will easily be able to pay it using the BitPay. Now for that you have to go to your App Store and you have to install the application called as BitPay, or if the BitPay is not available you won't be able to do it. But as you can see, this is the BitPay. You have to install this application. Currently in my region it is not available, so it will just download and won't allow me to access account, but you have to do that. And afterwards you will easily be able to buy Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency using your Apple Money. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find they should have 4